सुभाषितं वदामि। विद्या ददाति विनयं, विनयात् याति पात्रतां, पात्रत्वात् धनमाप्नोति, धनात् धर्मं तथा सुखम्.
The meaning of the Subhashita is knowledge gives discipline. From discipline comes worthiness. From worthiness one gets wealth. From wealth one does good deeds. From that comes happiness.
अहमपि एकं सुभाषितं वदामि। न चौरहार्यं न च राजहार्यं, न भ्रातृकार्यं न च बालकार्यं, व्यये कृते वर्धते एव नित्यं, विद्याधनं सर्वधनप्रधानम्. This shloka emphasizes that the wealth of knowledge cannot be stolen by thieves, taken by kings, divided among siblings, or feel heavy to carry. It is a unique, imperishable wealth that grows when shared or spent with others, making it the most precious possession of all.
Do you all know there is active and passive voice in Sanskrit? They are called Kartari Prayoga and Karmani Prayoga. We will start learning this in 8th grade and continue till 10th grade. For example, in Kartari Prayoga, Balakaha Shalam Gacchati.
In passive voice of Karmani Prayoga, Balakena Shala Gamyate iti bhavati. Maya jalam piyate. एतत् वाक्यं कर्तरि प्रयोगे किं भवति सान्वी? वदामि सखि, अहं जलं पिबामि इति भवति। सम्यक्। वयं षष्ठीकक्षातः किं व्याकरणं पठितवन्तः तत् सर्वं दशमकक्षापर्यन्तम् उपयोगः भवति।
Oh, is that so? We need to remember all the grammar topics which we have learned now.
Yes, we really require them till our 10th board exam.
Namaami Sanskritam Nityam, Vadami